Frustrated by the Libusb 1.0 library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To begin our Libusb 1.0 library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Libusb 1.0 library, a foundational USB driver library used by specialized hardware tools, console emulators, and custom peripheral drivers. It allows user mode apps to communicate directly with USB hardware. Missing Libusb 1.0 DLL is the primary cause of USB hardware not detected errors in tools like Zadig or Rufus. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The file Libusb 1.0 library DLL is required for Libusb Project to properly initialize, and a full reinstallation of the application encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Libusb 1.0 library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Libusb 1.0 library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Libusb 1.0 library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Libusb 1.0 library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.